Hi, hello. Very spicy and delicious prawns pie fry recipe. Take half kg prawns. Clean it with pure water. Ingredients needed for the recipe: salt, half tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, half tablespoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Then add cleaned prawns. Mix the mixture well. Then rest for 10 minutes. That time, flame on. Put pan to the stove. First high flame. Then add 3 spoon cooking oil or sunflower oil. When it is ready to cook, put prawns to the oil. Cook 5 minutes one side and 5 minutes another side in the low flame. Cook gently. When it is ready, you change a serving bowl or a serving plate. The very tasty and delicious prawns fry is ready. Try the recipe and feedback. Thank you for watching.